Tammy Spinazzola, and I heard about him. I go to church with him. And so then I read about his testimony, and that inspired me. Since I am a business person myself, I like to give business to small businesses. And so anyways, that's why I started coming here. I'm like, hey, I'm going to start going over there to him now. Because I was going somewhere else real close, right around the street corner from us. So anyways, that's what inspired me. And this is my second time in, and they did beyond what I even asked. And that's what I like, be in your wheelhouse. And they knew a few more things that needed to be tweaked. And so anyways, that helped me. You know, when it's done right the first time, I don't need time, none of us do. We don't have time to repeat and all that. And so that's what I enjoyed, you know, it's done right the first time. And like I said, they did little things that I didn't even know needed done, but yet that helps my life. And so I don't have to come back in again, you know, oh, well, by the way, this needed done, but didn't tell me ahead of time, you know. So I like that. The pricing is good, the service is great. They got me back out a day early. The price, they saved me a couple $100. Then they quoted me. And honesty, he said, well, we didn't need to use this, and that when we thought we did. And so the honesty of that.